Wind River UX Test Development Kit, or UXTDK for Android, is an Eclipse-based test authoring environment that enables the rapid creation of automated tests for Android-based devices. The Test Development Kit has been built from the ground up to offer automated testing capabilities that replace human efforts. Tests developed using UXTDK automatically manipulate the device under test just like a real user would through the Android user interface. The automated execution of these tests provides a significant reduction of up to 70% of the time spent during the manual testing through the QA cycles of the complex Android software stack. Wind River UXTDK is a test authoring tool that includes an innovative Wind River wizard-based approach to rapidly create new automated tests, an agent that incorporates the runtime support for the device under test, a runner that integrates all the tests into an automated test execution engine, and sample tests that provide out-of-the-box examples which can easily be adapted to cover new use cases. UXTDK offers a unique approach to real-world UX testing by making the UI elements accessible for validation and manipulation from the automated tests. Going through the UXTDK cockpit inside Eclipse, we can see the Android SDK and ADB Manager. I use this to configure my device under test, in this case the Android Gingerbread emulator. The Target Properties Manager enables me to quickly select the device under test from a predefined list of devices. I can also add a new device to the list by setting my preferences. After selecting my target, I can start the agent, which will enable me to connect with the selected device. The wizards are meant to help the developer in finding more details about the applications and widgets that are visible on the screen. In this case, I use the Locator wizard, which connects to the device under test and provides such details. For example, we can find out all the available details about this button here. Another useful wizard is the Object wizard, which will reveal details about tests developed prior and showing how previous tests implemented their abstraction layer. While these wizards are very helpful in the test authoring process, the one-button test feature, or OBT, is used to easily validate the developed test using an automated execution framework. We are using Wind River Framework for Automated Software Testing, or FAST, for Android. UXTDK delivers test assets that cover standard Android applications like alarm clock, browser, calculator or media player, and also market applications like Google Maps, Facebook or Twitter. UXTDK can also be used to test HTML-based applications that are running under the Android operating system. In this example, I'm using a calculator test that will validate a specific use case. The out-of-the-box test assets cover standard scenarios and can be easily adapted to fit your test plan and requirements. The UXTDK agent utilizes the Android Monkey tool to intelligently interact with the device by identifying the user interface elements from the Android hierarchy viewer. It also ensures the correct behavior of the application running on the device under test, including verification of data handling, like input-output data, action sequence, like entering data into a web page form, states, like application loaded in background, display of windows and dialogues, like status bar notifications. UXTDK also offers a log analyzer, which can be used to track actions performed on the device and the code that generated them. For example, by easily double-clicking a log entry, you will be able to see the exact code that generated it. UXTDK is an innovative product that simulates user interaction and verifies the correct behavior of the device under test in order to discover possible deviations from expected results, which may be classified as bugs or issues. This means better quality for your product at half the cost when compared to manual testing efforts that are very error-prone and hardly reproducible.